Today we're going to work with the versatile search block on Squarespace, and we're going to add a search block below the news and announcements headline on my blog page on my website. So first of all, I go to the page that I want to add the search block, and then I click on edit. In this case it's in the intro section, but it can sometimes be in the main content area. As this is a blog page, there isn't a standard content area below the initial banner, or the intro section, so that's where I'm going to edit here. And I've already got a title in place. I've got a couple of spaces above as well to get this structure and this height within the banner. And below the news and announcement headline, I'm going to select this widget here. Because it does clash a little bit with the background image, it's not as obvious as it is on some images, especially at the bottom. But if I then find that widget and click on it to bring up the content pop-up, I can now scroll down and find the search block. Once I put it in place, there are a couple of things that I may want to do just to refine the search. First of all, I can search a specific area of the website. So by clicking that checkbox there, I can now bring up the content types or the pages or sections that I want to search within. So in this case, I'm going to search within the news section on the website. That means it will search all the content in these articles here, but it won't search other pages within the website. So it makes it much more intuitive to have it in this section. The next and final step will be then to go to display, and I can change the theme to light, which essentially puts a lighter version of the search on there. I could chop around, change the photo, or I could edit this photo to make it a little bit darker if I wanted that search field to pop out a little bit more. But I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to click apply and then finally save. Now my search field is ready to go. And we can give it a quick test. So because it searches the database of the website, it can take a few seconds for the search to pop up. I can either now search or find a page from this selection, or if I press enter, it'll take me to a new page with the search results.